This is a 4.75 acre lot, which is located in Bar Harbor, Maine. It has paved road access from Gray Road, and it's in very convenient proximity to Route 3. One of the things that makes this lot so unique is the stream that runs along its eastern side and enters two different areas of the property. The lot is located only about 0.35 miles from Otter Cove and less than 1 mile from the Gulf of Maine, which provides easy access to the Atlantic Ocean. So with this property, you will be short minutes away from activities such as yachting, sailing, or deep sea fishing. Also, this lot is within short walking distance from Acadia National Park. This park is known as the crown jewel of the North Atlantic coast and is one of the top 10 most visited national parks in the United States. The Acadia National Park boasts 27 miles of historic motor roads, 158 miles of hiking trail, and 45 miles of carriage roads. This property's features and its close proximity to the Atlantic coast make it a pleasant place for a residence or a getaway, and its value would make it a great investment. So if you're interested, please call 815-953-0185 or email d_ader7@live.com. Click the link in the description for a drone video.